we will be writing a program to find the duplicates in an array. This is one of the problems in your textbook also. Here, if you check, we have a number that is 29, which is a duplicate. So the idea is to print only the duplicate numbers in the data, right, in the array. So how do we go about doing that, right? So usually in this kind of problem, first we know we traverse each and every element one at a time, 12, right? We know how to travel 29. So it's index 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we know how to traverse this array using the index, right? So let's take example at index at 3. So when we are dealing with 8, we have to again traverse the array again one more time from the beginning, right? 0, 1, 2 up to 3, right? We have to traverse all these elements for one more time. But when we do the second time, we don't have to go all the way, right? We only go up to what we are trying to find. So this is usually what it means is we need to traverse the array 2 times, not just one time, 2 times. So we need to have what is called a nested for loop. So for example, for I equal to 0, I in this case is 5, right? I plus plus, right? So we have a parenthesis, close parenthesis. So we need to go with another for loop, j equal to 0, but we said, remember, we go up to the index that we are looking for. So j is less than I, okay, j plus plus. So if we find data at I, which is, if it is same as the j, right? Yeah, if we ever find the second iteration, for example 29, we are looking at the 29, which is in this case at I equal to 5, right? 4. And when we traverse the second time in this case, right, if we ever find that 29 anywhere in this second time that we are scanning, right, we break it, right? We print and we break it. Print I and j, and we break that. We enough of that, right? We break out of this loop, right? That means we print 29 and 29, or the index in this case is I equal to 1 and or I equal to 4 and j equal to 1, right? So that is a very simple. You have to just get used to it. See that exactly I wrote. And if we compile this guy, we want to compile it, I and 4. See that? So index. So that is, you have to understand how to traverse the array multiple times. Okay, I traversed 2 times, and I compare the values and I print it.